Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to learn the homophone words. Now homo means same and phones means the sound that they are producing. So homophone means two words that are having the same sound. Means they are pronounced similarly. Okay, they are going to have the similar pronunciation. They are known as homophones. They are going to have the similar pronunciation, but their spellings are going to be different. Okay, so homophones means two words when they are having same pronunciation but their spellings are different and their meanings are also different. They are known as homophones. Okay, now let's start with some examples. Now children, in order to make the homophones clear to you, I will be explaining this video both in English and Hindi. Okay, so that the meanings of the words are clear to you. Okay, let's start. Now the first example is hair. This hair means the hair that are present on our head. Okay, sir ke upar ke baal. And this hair, H-A-R-E, hair, this means a rabbit. Rabbit is also known as hare. So both are pronounced same, but the meanings and their spellings are different. So these both words are homophones. Okay, hair and hair. The next one, right. This means right hand or even right or correct answer. Okay, now this right means writing something, likhna. Okay, this is that right. Okay, now next, sun. This is the sun or surya that we see in the sky. Sun means beta or the child, male child is son. Next, week. Week means saptah or 1 week. There are 4 weeks in a month. Okay, weak. This week means when you do not have any energy and you're completely tired. This is that week. Okay, both are pronounced same but their spellings and their meanings are different. One means number 1. This one means I have won something. मैंने कुछ जीत लिया है. Okay, this is that one. Sell means बेचना. I have sold this. I have to sell my car. Okay, बेचना. And this sell means your cell phone. It can be your cell phone or even the cells that are present in your body. Okay, which you have learnt in biology. The cells that are present in your body or your cell phone. It can mean both of them. Okay. Next, hear means sunna. Okay, hear. Listening or sunna. Here means idhar. Come here means idhar aao. That is this here. Okay. No means no, I am not going to do this work. Okay, no, nahi. K-N-O-W. This no means to know something. Means मुझे ये पता है. Okay, having the knowledge of something. That is no. Okay, पता होना. See means looking at something. देखना. This sea means samudra. This sea means the water body. Okay, like Arabian Sea. ठीक है, this is samudra. New. New means कुछ नया. Something new. I have bought a new dress. Okay. New. This means मुझे पहले से पता था. I knew this thing before itself. Okay. New means I already knew it. मुझे ये पहले से पता था. Okay. Blue. This means color blue. And blue means उड़ गया. ठीक है, मेरी रुमाल बाहर रखी थी, वो उड़ गई. It blew away. Okay. Now deer. Deer means the animal deer. ठीक है, हिरन. Dear मतलब प्रिय, someone close to you. He is my dear friend. She is my dear friend. Okay? This is when we address to someone who is close to you. Okay? Board. This is the blackboard on which your teacher writes. Okay? Bored. This bored means when you do not have any work to do, you get bored. You don't understand what to do. That is this bored. Okay? Wait means intezar karna. Okay? To wait for someone. Okay? Weight. This means wazan. Yeah? Weight. My weight is so and so. Okay? मेरा वजन इतना है. This is that weight. Okay? Sail means when a boat goes on the water, it is known as sailing. Okay? The boat sails in the water. Okay? जहाज जब पानी में जाता है उसको सेल बोलते हैं. सेल मतलब जब किसी दुकान में सेल लगती है, कोई चीज कम दाम में मिलती है तो उसको सेल बोलते हैं. ठीक है? होल मतलब किसी चीज में छेद होना. दिस इज होल. ओके? हैविंग अ होल इन समथिंग. होल मतलब सब कुछ. होल थिंग, द होल वर्ल्ड इज ब्यूटिफुल. ओके? मतलब सब कुछ. ओके? मेल. दिस इज द जेंडर, दैट इज बॉय जेंडर इज नोन एज मेल जेंडर. मेल मतलब ईमेल विच वी सेंड फ्रॉम द मेल्स, उसको मेल बोलते हैं. दिस इज दैट मेल. ओके? फ्लावर. दिस इज द फ्लावर दैट इज यूज्ड फॉर मेकिंग चपातीज. ओके? फ्लावर और आटा. एंड दिस इज फ्लावर दैट इज फूल, फ्लावर. ओके? रोज फ्लावर. ओके? दैट इज दिस फ्लावर. टेल पूछ, जैसे बंदर की पूछ. ओके? दैट इज कॉल्ड टेल. टेल दिस मीन्स अ स्टोरी. ओके? कहानी, उसको भी टेल बोलते हैं. दैट इज दिस टेल. वेस्ट दिस मीन्स कमर. मतलब when we go to buy pants, okay, they ask the waist size. That is this waist. This waste means कुछ कचरा, उसको भी waste बोलते हैं. That is this waste. Okay? Way. Way मतलब रास्ता. Okay? Or the path to go somewhere. This way goes to Ladakh. Okay? That is this way. Weigh मतलब किसी चीज का वजन. ठीक है? आई एम गोइंग टू वे दिस बुक. ओके? दैट इज दिस वे, किसी चीज का वजन. स्टेयर्स. स्टेयर्स मीन्स, दिस स्टेयर्स मीन्स जो सीढ़ी हम लोग उतरते हैं चढ़ते हैं उसको स्टेयर्स बोलते हैं. ओके? स्टेयर्स. द टीचर इज स्टेयरिंग एट मी. दैट इज दिस स्टेयर्स. ओके? घूरना. Next, weather. Weather. This means मौसम, जो बाहर का मौसम है, that is weather. Okay? And weather. This is when someone is asking me whether I'm going to come with them or no. That is this weather. Okay? Maid. Maid means जो हमारे घर में हमें हेल्प करती है कामों में, उनको maid बोलते हैं. Okay, the one who helps us in our household chores, she is a maid. Maid. I have made a cake. मैंने कुछ बनाया है. बनाना, उसको भी maid बोलते हैं. Okay? Pair. Pair. This pair means I have a pair of socks. मतलब दो. Okay? Pair. Pear. Pear. This is the fruit pear. Okay? Bee. I want to be with you. That is this bee. Bee. This is the honey.